Okay, so this is a laptop. This is what we want to do. Go to the taskbar settings, and then use small taskbar icons so that we can see the next windows in there. That's the whole idea. So that when you open up a window, you can see it there, right there. And then here, when the taskbar is full, and then over here, you write background, and then background apps come up. So come there, and then okay, turn it all off. It'll be by default, everything will be on, so just turn it all off. And then come to general, turn it all off. Speech, off. Inking, off. Diagnostics, off. Required only, yeah, not the optional. Activity history, everything off. And then you type here startup applications, everything turn off. Okay, and then you go there and write performance adjust. All right, no, somehow it's not coming up. Adjust performance. There you go. Adjust performance, and then you adjust for best performance right here. So everything gets unchecked, and then just check smooth edges and thumbnails. Show thumbnails instead of icons. So the third one and the seventh one. Those are the two things. Third one and the seventh one, and then click apply, and then click OK. And then come back here and then say power and sleep settings. Now this is out of 30 years of experience. This is what I've come up with. I know I've been with computers by God's grace 30 years. Old computers, they have a tendency that it goes into sleep and it never comes out. So just set it to never, never. Everything never, never. Sleep, never, never sleep. Because what happens is it just goes to sleep, and because of the old age, sometimes, most computers come out, but at least more close to 50% of them don't come up. So this one, if you set it to never, it never goes to sleep. So you don't have that problem, because otherwise people just return it. Just click on additional power settings, choose what the power button do, and change everything to shut down or do nothing. Okay, whenever there is a shutdown, just take that option, or do nothing option. Okay, over here, shut down, and then save changes. So whenever they close the lid, if it goes to sleep, because the computer is old, it'll never come back up. This is what, out of experience, what I've seen. That's why everything we'll just say shut down. Okay, and then that one is done, and then we need to create a shut.bat. Okay, so this one is a little complicated, but let me cmd, that's the command prompt, and then run as administrator, and it'll ask you yes, just say yes. So now we'll come to system 32. Here it is copy to console, copy con shut.batch. It's a batch file. And then you run the DISM tool, dism.exe, disk information system management, I think, from Microsoft. dism.exe space / online, so that it goes online and then checks this image / cleanup hyphen image / restore health. Okay, and then system file checker sfc space / scan now. Okay, and then give a shutdown command shutdown space / s no, actually it's shutdown hyphen s space hyphen t, and then you just give 1333 seconds, and then control C. So the file is copied now. Now every day I run this command every day to keep the computer healthy. and then you just give the shut command, and then it'll deployment image servicing and management tool. That's a DISM tool. So what it's doing is, now it's not hooked up online, but you need to hook it up to online.
Mm-hmm.
Then only this tool will run, because you have given the option online.
Mm-hmm.
So it'll go online and it'll check this image is in good health or not.
Mm-hmm.
And then it'll do the system file checker. If there is any system file which is corrupt, like you can show the screen here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. See, SFC found that Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them.
Good.
So that means, now the system is very healthy.
Mm-hmm.
And then you have given the shutdown command. So after 1,333 seconds, system will shut down automatically.
Okay.
So if you could please do
Yes.
these things.
Mhm.
And then, okay, let's come back here. Okay, so that one is going, so copy console.bat means it's copied to the console. So now we are good there. And then for the final point is to install the Google Chrome,
Mm-hmm.
and then put an icon here.
Okay.
And then if the final point is create a restore point. All right. Oh, no, wait, before that, add user. Add user. Add edit, remove users, add someone else to this PC.
Okay.
And then, repair tech. You know how many people forget their passwords? Almost 50% of our customers forget their passwords. And they call and they say, hey, I forgot my password. So we say that, hey, there's a repair tech account in there. I can help you to restore the password.
Yes.
And then change the standard user to administrator.
Okay. Good.
Otherwise, if this repair tech is not there, that means we need to wipe the machine once again. And then I add someone else to this PC, and you and guest one, no passwords. It's not asking for a password because it's not hooked up to online.
Yeah.
If it is hooked up to online, then it'll ask a Microsoft account. So disconnect the online so that you don't get all these
You can actually do. Okay.
questions.
Yeah. Good.
All right. So then now guest one is a local account. That's a limited account. We advise all our customers to use the guest account because it's a very limited account.
Mm-hmm.
So that whenever they're downloading something, if there's a virus coming in, then the virus cannot get installed in your computer because it's a local account.
Right.
So and then final step is to create a restore point.
Mm-hmm.
A restore point. Many of our customers, then they call, and then configure the restore point to use about 10%,
Mm-hmm.
23%, 10%. Now it's 4%, about 10% of the and then apply, and just say okay, and create, and good, or tech restore point, whatever name, create. So now our restore point is created.
Something happened, you can go back to that, right?
Exactly.
Good.
So this will be a great help for every customer. Thank you.
That's perfect.